Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kajing elang jong kakan menteri, kebelalong hene kasngi, kepratrek ujeliu. Watla kalabo banyak keren halor kilai teli kiman, handai lai keren tang ya kawai, kamat kat bay ki arteli pat lapan sangen asua ya kajing keren. Kamat kebalai keren hene kasngi, kadai halor kapang, kabadai ru kajing dawa jong kinong hikai deficit school, kibalai ki bersekata man penteri kamno ya kajing Siew ya ketulap ke batamai, kat kom ke 5th pay commission. Ke Sorkar jela hene kasngi, kala Mynjur ru ban penteri kamno ya kajing Siew tulap kat kom ke 5th pay commission, ke ban penteri kam nadu ke sitarek ubnai kala lingkot jong Shisnem arjar kanyo. Bat kene kajing Siew kan long ya kinong hikai, kumjo ya ki bamdai kinong hikai, ki baterai ki office jong ki deficit school. Nak banta kan kajing Siew batamai, ke Sorkar jela kan haban buria ya kajing lot kumba prapusau Klur tingka ha ke Shisnem. Kat ba ya kajing Siew ke basapat ni ke area. Nadu benai kala lengkot jong Shisnem arja katnyo, hadu mentau benai jeliu arja kat pra. Ke Sorkar kan haban pelot hadu shispa arpun riu Klur tingka. Bat yakni ke pisah ke basa on Siew ha kisau benta. Kata man baseu kan long 100%. Ya kajing Siew ke batamai pan kinong hikai bat ki non-teaching staff kinyo nadu benai naitung banwan.
The cabinet has decided to extend the pay revision to the deficit school teachers, and it is effective from the 1st Jan 2017. But regarding the area, it will be paid in 4 installments: 25, 25, 25, 25. So that is the decision of the cabinet regarding this implementation of revised pay to the deficit school teachers. Involvement, the additional is 84 crore per year. So the area will come to about 126 crore. Only the area from the 1st Jan till the date. The government will try its best to fulfill its obligation, not only to this sector, not only to the national sector, even to other sector of the state also. So the Chief Minister, in his leadership, they are putting out there to tap the additional resources so that the development of the state will carry on forward.